As the country prepares for the hurricane season, which begins next week, Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness is re-emphasizing the need to strengthen ODPEM to increase Jamaica's emergency response. At the same time, the Jamaica Defense Force is on track to get new equipment for search and rescue. The Prime Minister was speaking this week at a meeting of the National Disaster Risk Management Council. Details from Andrea Chisholm.
Blocked roads, logistical challenges, limited communication, and people who were hard to reach. Some of the many hurdles Jamaica had to jump over following the devastation caused by Hurricane Melissa. For Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness, one of the first order of business is to improve the operations of ODPEM. Commander Alvin Gale has already been appointed to head the agency.
Steps have already been taken to strengthen ODPEM, including its organizational review, new hires, upgraded posts, staff welfare measures, and planned training. But ODPEM must now become Jamaica's national resilience organization, able to help the country anticipate, withstand, respond to, recover from, and adapt to major shocks without collapsing essential services, public confidence, economic activity, or the machinery of government.
Dr. Holness adds that the government is working to resolve issues within the organization while strengthening its partnership with the Jamaica Defense Force for logistics, engineering, and communication.
So the government will be making some announcements in a few days from now about further investments into the logistics, transport, and operational capabilities of the JDF.
At the same time, Jamaica has to improve its resilience to ensure that, among other things, critical public buildings such as police and fire stations are still functional after a storm. Meanwhile, Hurricane Beryl and Hurricane Melissa amplified weaknesses in the population. For example, citizens without proper identification and no proof of land ownership.
Jamaica cannot continue as an informal society. Informality hampers recovery. It hampers relief. It hampers reconstruction. This mentality that you can go and build anywhere, live anywhere, and somehow the state must know that you are there when you don't want the state to know that you are there. Then you say, you didn't come to me. Well, we didn't know you were there, because it's not documented.
He added that a single national database would eliminate the need for persons to register for assistance.
If there were just one unique registration number with your registration ID linked into a national database, there would be no need for this very laborious process where errors are made, duplications happen, slows down the process. I just thought that this was a good opportunity to explain to the public why national identification is important.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.